Quan McDonald. Y'all would not believe this picture if you saw it. Okay, so I'm gonna design a program. I'm gonna make like a Super Mario game. Dot pod. Okay. Automatic. I'm semi-ever automatic. Okay, so I'm gonna make a Super Mario game. Input install. What the fuck? Honestly, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing right now. I have traveled dimensions. Dementia. I cannot believe that I'm actually doing this. Okay, so if we go to Python Python code, it'll like reboot my brain. Okay, so I have to type import this as that, and that should be able to ignite neurons in my brain. Wonderful. So import IMPORT. Fuck. So the worst problem is that I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. IMPORT. Import. So I'm gonna make like a Super Mario game. Like, yeah. Oh, Pie game. Pie game as PG. Is that how we do it? Is that how we do it? Fuck it. I don't do classes. So that's one thing about me is I dropped out of school. I don't attend school. I don't attend class. I'm not like the other kids. So, fuck. Why did this file get so big? Import Pygame as PG. I'm gonna make a beautiful experience. It will resonate with the universe forever. My will not be silenced. I am eternal. Nigga. No, I'm not doing NumPy because I just do the math in my head. Okay, so wow. It's a miracle that I got this shit working. Okay, so there's a lawnmower outside my house right now. Oh, import what the fuck am I importing? Oh, like Pygame Sorry, I haven't coded in like a million years. Pygame. Fuck. No. Keep recording, keep recording. I was born in hell. I was born in hell. Import Pygame as PG. I don't even know how this shit works. So 7 minutes, 41 seconds. Time exists locally. So import Pygame as whatever. Import Pygame, Python, Pygame as PG. I'm a genius, nigga. Yeah, fuck it. I just do this shit forever. Okay, that lawnmower outside is irritating me. Oh, so I should start typing. It's like, I should figure out what the fuck I'm actually doing. Okay. So Pygame has been imported, and I feel like I'm supposed to test that as some sort of terminal. Yeah. So where am I supposed to test that? I was born in hell. None of this Jesus shit is real. Like, y'all take this shit way too seriously. Like, hell is real, but like, you take it way too seriously. Okay, this is a wonderful experience I'm having. So if you're wondering what this shit is, I'm a Nazi, but honestly, humanity is in a state of perpetual collapse and perpetual energy dissipation, explosiveness. It's thermodynamically logical. Like, it just makes sense. Like, I am the beast that makes the bread. I am the beast that flips the birds. And then when you make energy, yeah, like Hitler Rising, yeah, don't say. So I'm trying to make a game right now. Lost, um, I kind of lost. Oh, I'm drinking coffee too, by the way. And there's a lawnmower going outside my house. set mode, display section, init, nigga, 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 nigga. Why is that not right? Okay, no. This is not how I write code. I write it myself. I was born in hell, but that's okay, because we all were. See, I'm getting through it. Anyways, I think I should just start logically. 1. One plus 1 equals true, or whatever that is. True? Yeah. I'll take my headphones off. I'm inspired by Instagram Reels. Reel. Okay, so a long time ago, beehive. Equals, that makes sense. And this one is import. Okay, so that's actually mathematically valid. Invalid syntax. I like how the screen is becoming colorful. That's how a text operation works. Programming. This screen helps you see things. Y'all ain't high enough for this shit. This is why black people like me are inventors. Enough about race. I love everyone. Minutes. I'm gonna change the world with this video. I swear to God I'll do it. I swear. If it's the last thing I do, I hope it's not. I hope I live a long, wonderful life. I hope this is the first thing I do. Okay, while chewing on it, I haven't done this in a while, like years. I was born in a long time ago. So it has to update, flip, sys exit, init, init. So it has to use language, logically. I was homeless. So what happens if I run it? I'm gonna thought debug. Invalid syntax. I'm gonna take my headphones off. skepticism have eternal reflections on reality. Daniel whatever was right. The guy who was in the mental institution killed himself. Neil Bohr. Honestly, I don't even fucking know. Who even was that guy? He was like a genius and he killed himself a long while ago. I'm the person in the universe. Most like. thing it told me to install. I think I almost did. Honestly, I'm scared right now because every time I talk, there's like movement in the hallways of the apartment building I'm at. I feel like people have had too much of me being high and a nuisance. Yeah, whatever. Calling ambulances and shit. That got deep. I don't even know if the people across from me speak English. Like, actually. It's like, what does it even matter?